Hey everybody, Robert Wright here, and I'm a private label attorney who helps Amazon sellers protect their brand on Amazon. And today I'm going to answer the question, what does Avengers Infinity War have to do with private label selling? So, rule of thumb, like one of the most misunderstood areas of private label selling is that you don't own your listing, okay? You own the product photos that you've uploaded to the listing. You own the copyright and the sales copy that you've uploaded to the listing. You own the trademark that you've stuck on your product, but you don't own your listing. When Amazon, allows you that opportunity to create a listing, all they've effectively done is given you the privilege of putting a page in their big online catalog. Okay, so you don't own your listing, right? Which means the general rule is anybody who is selling a product that's exactly the same as the ASIN associated with the listing has to list on that page, okay? Now this rule, this construct, sets up a dynamic, all right? I love Avengers, I'm a big comic book geek, right? And so who is the first Avenger? The first Avenger is Captain America. That is you. That is the person who creates the listing. They've uploaded the photos, they've put in the sales copy, they've done all that good stuff. You, as a private label seller, are Captain America. Now, as Captain America, it could be that you have distributors. It could be that you have authorized resellers. These distributors, these authorized resellers are Iron Man. They're not the first Avenger, but they are certainly a very important part of the overall Avenger puzzle, right? And so they're alongside on the listing with you, and you're totally cool with that because they're purchasing directly from you. They're helping support your business. They're making a little bit of cut in the middle, but like you guys are on the same team. But then there's Thanos, right? We know that in Infinity War, Thanos comes in, he's got the Infinity Gauntlet, he's collecting all the Infinity Stones because he wants to snap and destroy half the universe. Hijackers want to come onto your listing and take half of your sales. These are people who, say that they're selling exactly the same thing that you're selling, but they're really not. Maybe you have a branded product that you're selling and they're selling a generic version, or even worse, they've taken your product, they've completely copied it, they've just copied and pasted your brand name and they're selling a counterfeit knockoff. Thanos, that's the guy you don't want, right? So how do you deal with that? You get brand registered. We've talked about this in a number of other videos. Brand registry, brand registry, brand registry. And in order to be brand registered, you gotta have a registered trademark. So, what do Avengers Infinity War have to do with private label selling? It helps demonstrate this construct that naturally exists on Amazon of you, the original Avenger, Captain America, your buddy Iron Man, who's buying from you and is an authorized reseller, and then there's Thanos. It's this evil villain that's lurking out there that comes and takes half your sales. Don't let that happen to you. Get brand registered, register your trademark. It is the safest way, it's the quickest way, it's the easiest way to make sure that you're policing your brand on Amazon.